Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours now, she love driving. So as I reached to the entrance, she said she wanted to drive. So we're gonna allow her to drive, family.
It's ready already. Okay, it's not happening.
You can use your mirror and look and see and stuff. Like, look, yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is driving home. Let's see how she do driving home. This is driving lesson 106.
Oh, I swear this thing is confusing.
So there's a car coming in when you're looking down the road.
No, I can't see because of this black thing. I'm really struggling.
You can't see, sure you can't see.
I am, but I have to like swing. You get?
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours love driving now. Nobody love driving like Miss Jam Tours. Sweetie. Okay.
Hi.
Brakes.
Pass.
So that's the car that make you feel nervous.
I think so.
I feel like now you're pressing too much gas.
No. We're going to need to black out this thing now.
Right.
Please. Because clearly
Let me take it
I'm
out.
having problems. Thank you. Like that. Because then I have to keep doing this and then this one is also flaring. You get?
Okay, so let me take down this.
Thank you. Imagine I'm not even pressing. So I'm on brakes. There's a couple. What is this one that is fixing?
Just go on and see just go on here right now.
If you see it's a man driving, you need to compete with a man.
Let's really stop. Go back to your left now.
I'm driving.
Want to stop at those Safaricom people. You can maybe just pull over to the side there,
Okay. On the shade.
and the shade.
On this side, on this side.
This side right there. I will call them and talk to them. Ask them about the Safaricom internet. Maybe you should put on your seatbelt to take you back nice. So just go and park right there.
Why is this man following me? So you can just pass.
So just go right there, sweetie, in that
You also
cool
need-
shade.
You also need to tie down.
Let the pass. Let me get rid of this nice. Yeah, family, so we're trying to Safaricom has some new internet plan that connect your home, your fiber home to your actually phone. So we want to get some information from them. Like right there is fine. I will call that number on the thing. Alright, so let me come out and go
Are they
there.
coming out?
What do you think that you get?
Who did you call them? He's coming.
It's coming.
Yeah.
I see the whole camera, let me talk. It's running.
Yeah.
Yes, boss.
Yeah.
How this thing work?
Okay, so this is Safaricom internet. Okay, do you stay here for us?
Yes.
Okay, so we have free installation.
No, I already
We
have the
already
home
have the
fiber.
fiber.
Yes.
But I want to know about this
This extra plan.
This plus.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you're not in the house. You are in the office.
Yeah.
You have no minutes. For this one, you can call, browse, text message.
So it's connected to your SIM card.
Exactly, yeah.
So if I want to activate it now, how I go about it?
You have an account.
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
It's working.
Yeah.
Okay, just dial star 400 on your phone.
Oh, star 400.
Exactly, yeah.
Let me do that now because this is a very good thing because most of the time you're out,
We need to know the price first.
you're traveling.
Oh, okay.
So I'm
3800.
I am on the which one I'm on? The basic, the one
bronze.
for $2.99.
Oh, for 299.
Yeah.
So you'll just top up the maybe
The balance.
Yeah, exactly, the balance.
The balance.
800. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you get
Okay. And it
Star,
activates same time.
yeah, just dial star
Star
400
400
hash.
hash.
Call. Yeah.
All right. Let's see this. And then which one? It says
Okay. Press reply. You press 0 home plus.
oh 0. Okay, 0 home plus.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right. And then
Get home plus share.
Yeah. Get home plus.
So can I? Let's say my wife wanted to. Can she get it on her SIM?
Yeah. After you get, you will share with your wife.
Is it like I have to
Like
hotspot, or I can she get it on her SIM card too?
Exactly. Yeah, she'll get. Once
Wow.
you open your phone, she'll get on her phone also. Her SIM card. No hotspotting.
So, but
How will they know?
how will they
Okay.
know?
So once he buys, the account is registered under you, right?
Yeah.
Once you buy, you will share with her. You just put there. You see the second option, share. You
Ah.
share, you put with her.
Ah.
Phone number.
So how many people can you put?
Like 5.
5.
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow. This is like genius Safaricom. So now I'm at number 1, 8 GB plus 40 minutes plus 1,000 SMS.
Exactly. Perfect. Yeah, that's one.
That's the one.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you pay now using
I know
M-Pesa.
pay use M-Pesa. And they say I should pay how much?
Your account has a refund of
of 2,599
Yeah.
Kenyan shilling. 1,002 will be deducted from your
1201 will be
1201.
deducted.
Yeah, okay. So now I press what now?
Yeah.
Wait, says sweetie. 98 for more.
Wait.
It says 98. 98 for more.
Okay.
98 for more. Accept. Wow. So now you enter your M-Pesa pin.
Yeah, let me hide there.
Right. Don't know it. Okay. M-Pesa pin. Yeah, family, this is a good thing.
Yeah.
So now I want to share to my wife. Now I just go,
On the same
Yeah. Same
dial,
process.
and then
Same
you,
process.
and then you
Exactly,
click
yeah.
share.
then I click share. Wow. So see it come up there and it says 1,002 has been da. Your home fiber and stuff.
So now when you are out of home, you'll have 8 GB internet, 400 SMS, 1,000 minutes. So
Wow.
you'll call, you'll use data, you'll text message.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So you don't need to have Wi-Fi wherever you are.
Okay. And next month come now I just pay this 3,000.
So we'll be paying 3,800
Exactly. Yeah.
every
So
month.
each month
when
you'll
he's,
be
when
getting
he's paying.
data, minutes, and SMS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much. This is such a good plan, family.
Okay. Welcome.
And if you're watching this from Kenya,
Yeah.
Safaricom is the way to go.
So now that we've taken it on halfway month,
Yeah.
how will that work?
They'll add up the amount in the next month.
All right. Oh, that's
Okay,
This is my
okay.
number. In case of any issue, give me a call. I'm Steve.
Okay, Steve. Okay,
Thank you.
Steve.
Sawa, asante.
Sawa.
Aye.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, you get when you say you get 8 GB, 400 minutes, 1,000 message, free WhatsApp, and you get YouTube.
Actually, yeah, they've been confused because it had said it's 8 gig.
Eh,
8 is a lot.
it is a lot.
Free 2 GB YouTube.
Yeah, and you still have your plan at home where you get 10
And WhatsApp
megabytes
is
per
free.
second. WhatsApp is free.
I guess I'll call mom actually in a few.
Guy, so you
Yep.
can even do WhatsApp call and stuff.
So I have 400 minutes and free
Wow.
WhatsApp.
So I need to share it with you then.
Yes, you will. Thank you.
Alright, family, so Miss Jam Tours, we get this activate. Miss Jam Tours gonna continue our journey now. Right?
Yes.
So you're gonna go through the gate now, right? You know to go through the gate.
Yes.
To go through the gate and let in the pirate.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you're gonna do now? Put down your handbrake, foot on the brake, right?
Yeah, it's there.
And then you're gonna
See, now
go
I'm
to
not
drive.
starting with-
Yeah. Then you go on. Go on, yeah, girl.
For now. Yeah, I have it. Thank you.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours going through the gate. Through the gate. What? Little gas. And put the foot back on the brake. Yes.
Chungu usikanyagwe, asante. telling, make sure I don't pass with you.
There's a corner here. Take it deep. You have one thing coming there, rock it round. Yeah, good time go around.
I hope there's no car behind me because I'm coming. Okay.
Go on, Miss Jam Tours. Going back in. Yeah, family, this is Miss Jam Tours and she's driving so good.
Yeah. Feel like my head will ache.
Maybe I should come out with you.
And do what? Please stay there.
Are you comfortable now?
Yes. Very.
You're not sweating. You're nervous when a car pass?
Okay, I'm going to the beach.
Miss Jam Tours. Families, so the kids are going to the pool. As you can see, the kids they are going to the pool. Try to race the man, sweetie. Guy. Sweetie, what you doing?
See, I'm driving. Like I'm panicking. Have you ever felt confident?
Wow.
The man is trying to compete with me. Yeah.
Are you trying to compete with the man? I guess you're going to be a very aggressive driver.
Yeah.
You're gonna be
I'm not even looking at him.
You're going to be a very aggressive driver on the road, Miss Jam Tours.
Okay, I feel I'm confident with balancing the car, like it's not
Like-
staggy.
Like putting
So-
it, like actually, make it actually.
You see, he didn't
not go-
even hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so we actually heading home and Miss Jam Tours is driving home. This is a corner.
Yes.
We have a few corner. So let's see how she take this corner, family. Let's see. Whoa, Miss Jam Tours. Rock it out now, rock it out.
I guess I'm slow to change. Okay. I guess I'm slow to change gas and brakes. Not sure.
Yeah. Oh,
Like-
yeah.
So once I do the brakes, I'm kinda.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Today you need to use no gas in.
No, I'm not using actually.
You're going down a slope here.
How did I take that one? Why
This
these
one.
kids? Please just pass. Thank you. Hi babies. Please get on the road. Get off the road. I'll pass with you.
The kids and there do them something. The kids and there for swing sound to like
Okay.
kids them skating. So I will just go at the front, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So normally the kids them come to learn
Is
how
that
to
a mesh?
skate.
Is that a mesh?
Yeah, guess he's
I feel like
watching.
going to sleep there.
You can't go there, so you can't go there. Let's go our right corner there.
Do they know who is driving? Before they start blood flag.
I mean, sweetie, what you doing now? We're going right there.
That way?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Wind it up now, wind it up.
Let's see if I can do it.
Alright, family, the Miss Jam Tours. Actually, we're actually home. You're trying to reverse? That's not reverse, sweetie, that's neutral. So she want to try to line up the car. Let me come out. Yeah, family, so the kids are skating. Skating practice. Alright, go on. That's the thing, you get confused with this. No, the other way. Yeah. Because you don't know how to reverse. Yeah, wind it through. Yeah, wind it round. Wind it. Yeah. Yeah, wind it. Wind it. Wind it. Wind it. Wind it. Straighten up. Straighten up. Straighten up now. Yeah. Yeah, go on back. Go on back. And then you come forward now. Put it in drive. D. Straighten up. Come. Ah, yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Parking?
Yeah.
I turn off now.
Well, it's not good to turn off your car same when you just come out the car. Wait a little, like a minute or two, then you switch it off. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours actually drove perfect. Reaching home and everything is nice. Like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Miss Jam Tours will be going to driving school, but she's just catching her practice now.
Then when I go to Jamaica, yay! That's the way you see those drivers are aggressive. I'll be driving for them on that road. Not sure.
Yeah, family, so now we actually just get back from the market and
Let me go and take my nan.
we're gonna take out these things. I open the front door, let me take out these things.
Okay.